In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect two websites in Pipedrive. The main idea is simple. You will create two separate Pipedrive web forms, then you will embed each form on its matching website. This way, both websites can send new leads directly into your Pipedrive account, while keeping each website's submissions organized. First, log into Pipedrive and go to the main navigation. Click Leads, then find and click Web Forms. This area is where you build forms that visitors can fill out on your website, like a contact or inquiry form. Next, click Plus New Web Form. When Pipedrive asks how you want to start, choose Blank, then select Create Form. Starting with a blank form gives you full control over what information you collect. Now input the details for your first form, which will be used for website A. Add the fields you need, such as name, email, or message, and make sure the form title clearly identifies that it belongs to website A. When you are done, save the form. After saving, click Share and Embed. This is where Pipedrive generates the embed code that you will place on your site. Copy the code for website A. You will then paste that code into the appropriate place on website A, usually on a contact page or inside the page section where your website builder accepts custom HTML. A helpful tip is to keep this code exactly as copied, since even small edits can break the embed. Now go back to Web Forms again so you can create a second, separate form. Click Plus New Web Form one more time, and create another form for website B. Just like before, enter the form details, choose the fields you want, and save it. Again, use a clear name so you can easily tell which form belongs to which website when you review leads later. Finally, click Share and Embed for the second form, and copy the embed code. Paste that code into website B in the correct location. Once both forms are embedded, each website will submit leads into Pipedrive through its own form. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.